Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Today, I want to show you how to enter recovery mode on your iPad mini. The first step is plugging your iPad into a Windows PC or MacBook. As you can see, now it's plugged in. We can turn it on. And now, if you want to go into recovery mode, you simply click volume up, volume down, and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. And now we're waiting. As you guys can see, we should see a laptop and a USB-C logo pop up, and our iPad is in recovery mode. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.